Howdy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I save my pepper seeds. So let's get started. All I need to use for this process is a paper towel. I write the name of the plant, the pepper that I'm cutting the seeds from. This is what I'm gonna dry them on. Here's the pepper itself. This is a Hungarian yellow wax. And I'm going to have a knife or a razor blade I'm going to use to cut the pepper with to remove the seeds. Now this is how I do all of my peppers. Over about 1,500 pepper plants that I grow each year. So this is how I start them. If you have a pepper like this, it's kind of round. It's pretty easy to take it, just lay it. This one's kind of soft. It's already started to soften up. You take it, lay it on the table, and just roll it on a flat surface. What this will do, will loosen up the seeds inside, a lot of them, and when you cut the top of it off, they'll just fall right out onto the paper. You want to go digging, cut the pepper all to pieces to get the seeds out. This is the quickest and easiest way to do it. So now we're going to cut the top of this pepper off. You see there's a lot of seeds caked up in the top up here. We don't really need all of them, but I've got a bunch of these already. You can see this, watch them fall out, this pepper. Seeds coming out. There ain't but 2 or 3 left inside there. Now, some peppers have a lot more seeds than others, so usually cayennes and jalapenos and the Hungarian yellow wax have a lot more seeds than other peppers do. Usually super hots don't have too many seeds, or the or habaneros don't have a lot of seeds in them a lot of times. Very few. Like I said, I really don't need all of them, but trying to get them out. Just to force a habit, I guess, to try to save every one of them. I cut this thing open, this pepper. You see inside how clean that is. There are no seeds left inside there. By rolling it, it loosened them all up. So now we have all those. They always get caked up here in the top a lot. Sometimes you can get them out. Sometimes you have to dig them out. But yeah, all of them fell out. All these fell out. So every one of them came out. So now I'll spread them out just a little bit. Now, it's the easiest way to collect pepper seeds. Tomato seeds will be a little bit different. You have to wash them. They have the gel on them. So, but this is the way I do all my pepper seeds every season. Over about 60 something varieties. So I have a lot of pieces of paper with the seeds laying everywhere when I start drying them. You leave it laying here. Just leave this paper laying out on the table in a safe place away from anyone. You don't want nobody touching your seeds because seeds are hot. But they're only about 15,000 Scoville level, but they're still hot. There's enough to burn you. If you wipe your face, if you put a finger in your eye, you'll know it. But leave it like this for about 3 weeks, and these things will dry out, and it'll be perfect to store, however you want to store them. I store mine in little plastic containers, so little condiment containers. So, well, that's how you how I collect and save my seeds and dry them to keep them for the next season. These will probably be planted in about 3 or 4 weeks. November is usually when I start my seeds, so I'll be putting these inside and some soil to start growing, to sprout them. So, well, if you like, just back up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Until next time.